Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to how to remove contact in block list. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and you have to click on the phone icon. So go to the phone icon. Now you will see many options. You have to click on the search and search that contact which you want to remove contact in your block list. So click on that. Now again click on that and here you will see contact detail. Click on that dots and you will see unblock option. So it means that contact is already already added in our blacklist. So if you want to remove, so click on the unblock, then okay, and you will see here block option. So it means that in this way contact is removed from a block list in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.